Welcome to Make It Easy. This recipe is a home-cooked, savory variation of the classic Italian origin Pizza Margherita, adorned with the topping of fresh green bell peppers, onions and tomatoes. Here is all you need to know. Take 1 cup of lukewarm water in a bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Now add 1½ teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Now let the yeast get activated, so keep it aside for at least 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, add salt to your taste, mix, now here we have the activated yeast. The bubbles on the top signify that the yeast has activated well and it can be added to the flour. Now make a well in the center and add the activated yeast a little at a time. Mix it with the flour. Keep adding the yeast water till a soft dough is formed. Now this is how it should look. Wrap it airtight with a cling wrap. And let it rest for 2 to 3 hours at least, or till the size doubles. Now here the size has doubled and I'm going to remove the cling wrap. Now I'm taking my working board and spread some maida over it. I'll scrape off the flour or my dough which I had prepared. And now I'm putting it onto the working table. Spread some maida over it. You can see how soft the dough is. I'll pinch it off in the center to make 2 portions out of it. Now I'm covering it again with a cling wrap, and now I'll put a cloth over it and let it rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can see after the second proofing, the balls have risen again. They have doubled in size. Now I'll remove the cling. Take one portion on a greased pizza pan. Now I will spread it with the help of my fingers from the center towards the periphery. Till I make the desired size of my base, somewhat like this. Now in the center, I'm going to prick it with a fork so that it does not rise in the center. Now apply some pizza sauce all over the base. I have applied the instant pizza sauce, the recipe of which you can see in the description box. The link is given in the description box. Now add some mozzarella cheese, diced mozzarella cheese, and your favorite toppings. Here I have added some onions, some bell peppers, green bell peppers, and some tomatoes. Again, I will top it up with some diced mozzarella cheese. So I have added a lot of cheese onto this, and now it's the time to bake it. Place your pizza pan in the oven and bake it at the highest temperature for 10 to 12 minutes. For my oven it is 200 degrees centigrade, so I will cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. After almost 13 minutes, the pizza should look like this, and it has been perfectly baked. Take it out. You can see the cheese has browned a little, and it has come out very well, a perfectly baked pizza. The crust is perfect. Now I'm going to cut it into pieces. You can make as many slices as you want. in your pizza. It's really looking yummy, and it tastes even better. If you like the content of this video, do consider subscription to our channel and share with your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.